Create stunning 3D text in Illustrator. Go to Illustrator and grab the Text tool, T. Type your text, example, hello, or any word you want. Center the text to the artboard using Align tools. Adjust the font size, and pick your favorite font. Use the Eyedropper tool, I, to apply a color you like. Go to Effect, 3D and Materials, Extrude and Bevel. From the Position drop-down, choose Isometric Right. Set shadow position to Below Object. Increase shadow bounds. Turn off ambient light. Adjust intensity, rotation, height, softness to your liking. Hit the render button for high-quality output. Your 3D text is ready to use. Now, select the Text tool, T, again, and type any new text you want. Use the Eyedropper tool, I, to pick and apply color from your 3D text, or choose any color you like. This keeps your design visually consistent and professional.